Hi guys, welcome to 5th Java tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you what is an operator in Java. So what is an operator? An operator allows you to manipulate variables in Java. So we have different type of operator in Java. We have arithmetic operator, we have relational operator, we have logical operator, assignment operator, byte equation operator. This arithmetic operator, they are plus sign, minus sign, multiplication sign, division sign, this modulus, this increment and decrement. This increment, I'm going to show you the meaning and how to use for this operator. So with this relational operator, which use for equality, which is in this relational operator, sometimes they call it comparison operator because it is used to compare two variable or two value together. So this logical operator, they are or, nor, this and, this or, this and, this or, this nor. So we have different type of them. So I've already created a Java program. So I use arithmetic operator here. So this I created int value, which a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 50. This additional sign, a plus b, subtraction, a minus b, multiplication, a times b. So let me create a logical, maybe 2 or 3 logical operator. So logical one. So let me use equal to. Second one, let me use logical one. So let me use not equal to. So I'm going to save it. So let's show the output. So this is my path. Let me compile my Java program. This is it. So this is my total. So my addition is 50. My multiplication, my subtraction, my addition is 150. My subtraction is 50. Multiplication is 5,000. This logical operator, this means that is A equal B? No, because A equals to 100, why B is equal to B, why B is equal to 50. The meaning of this is that is A 100 and B 100? No, they are not. They do not have this the same value because A is equal to 100, while B is equal to 50. So here it's telling us that is A not equal to B? Yes, A is not equal to B. Why? Because A is equal to 100, while B is equal to 50. So A is not equal to B. We also have which return true, while the first one return false. The meaning of this two is that yes, while the meaning of this false is true. So let me show you arithmetic increment operator rather. So estimate system dot out dot point line increment. So concatenate. So this is plus A. So our A is 100, right? So let's control save. So let me recompile my program. So